Alright, bait fishing. I don't do it very often, but I do a little bit. What I'm going to show you today is how to tip your jigs with prawns. What I do is I take a prawn, I slice it into fairly small pieces, and then using some pink spawn net and some pink thread made from Atlas Mike's Magic Thread and Atlas Mike's spawn bags. You take them, take off one piece of the little spawn bag, quick and simple, put it on your table. I do really small ones, do 2 or 3 little chunks of shrimp on there, nothing too major. Comes together into a little bag. You roll it up like that, give it a little spin, and then this thread sticks to itself so it's kind of slick. Wrap it around 3 times, give it a little snug pull, do 3 more wraps, give it a little snug pull, and just break it off. Once that's done, you get the little extra mesh, you snip that off, and your shrimp tipped jigs are ready to go. I tie up a whole bunch like this in advance. You can get, well, this is not even 3 prawns, done that. Throw it in a little container, fish for the day, and you've got your bait for coho if you're allowed in that area, schnooks, all that kind of thing. So these are great little add-ons to your fishing collection.